Imagine if Bonner just call Odumodu. Say Alpha, say black native. Say what's it? Say black native. Say Odogu, and the guy, I don't know how they talk, whether the thing they work with your face, just watch my face. Odogu, that guy fuck up. That guy fuck up. More let that guy, no. Imagine if Bonner and Odumodu enters to you, drop that song. It go enter #1. I don't really sabi sing like Bonner, but I try. More try. All in favor, say hi. The song will come be Lambo for Lamba. Or Lamba for Lambo. DJ, drop on. So if I stand here, I'll be Bonner, but if I stand here, I'll be Dumeji. Volume. That guy didn't enter my head.
My nickname is Capi.
They call me Bonner. Black, native. Bonner, we just start. See? This girl for long I've been chasing. Finally she crazy, no crazy. Down night the team be like film trick. Bonner boy. Baby cow. She say make a buy am cow. Baby cow. Yeah. She say before we collabo, I go pay for a Lambo. Amy your money go. I tell her me she no worry you, brother. Surely collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo, Oniki collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo. Surely collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo, collabora Lambo. She say if you no be Lamborghini, she no dey gree. For tatata we no sweet. Big color industry machine. As she dey drive big daddy, I say make she come over. I come over, she come over, all over. She say big color, we my car. Allegedly this is all over. Show me. Who's your big color? Yeah, yeah, Davi. Very good. This is our work. We have to keep to date. My pastor must not see that joke. Experience is gone. Because this country don't ready. Country where they supposed share. This country is really laughing talk. Because country where they supposed share map for different country. They share for only Nigeria. Only we country we get very dark man, Portable, Bobrisky, Odumeji. Inside one country, all of us want to wear. Only for this country, basically go carry the English, set up the shout, don't play. Or you gonna learn? You gonna learn the hard way. This same country, we not do Mother's Day last year because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Everybody now another person with the craze for this country. Now if you come this show now, tell M.O.P, I want to talk to your head. Inside my head. That won't go. Another crazy guy for this country. Now DJ Chicken. If that guy come here now, he no go same place. We can't get one pastor where they follow them craze. Odumeji. If that one come here, hey boy, I'm the lioness chef. Who you are you from? You call your hey boy. I'm not a comedian. Where I like that when he speak one English, can't correct himself. For example now, I'm not a comedian. Comedians quoi? Comedians. Le plan la mande is power. Le faire séparer is power. I'm in the Boski. All of us don't join court, we don't know. The craziest of them on a Portable. Like if you come this one now, look at M.O.P. You there? C'est quand tu es guy me come and sound up. Man, come and you give me 2 minutes. Oh, this guy here. I will say Portable with their big brother. Now that the big brother will come outside. You go here, Portable. Il est gelé. Report to the diary. Yeah. Portable na only get police come arrest, they're sick. They say bring him to the station. He said, you don't arrest me. For Sango, you know what I mean? But they could get 15 albums. You don't remember lyrics. If you come here now, you go, yeah, M.O.P, it is single, I don't know what I do, I'm going to call it, who go help? And I can use everything they trend. Last week, they put them as wanted. He talk again, I'm not a criminal, I'm wanted. Brother, everybody wait there know my story as a comedian. I went from grass to grace. People pray for me. But I know Ejibo, yes, and my former tenants with that. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And because I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, Kennyblaq, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. Because I saw my landlord pray for my cousin. Say you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy did. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He say, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportunity to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I want to follow talk. Now, Donald Trump, because I know the year with they talk. I'm going to make America get again. When I make America get again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Say, well, we know, yeah. We know that everybody Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when he pray for me, say, President will call you very, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did I speak? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what do we can call me Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do the event. 2 days ago, Jinombu called me. Jagaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the president, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go like there. And they come, tell him I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, tell you this. He said, Kennyblaq, when you do a town hall? Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, you know, say we don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency. Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about what I do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency. Look up on there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency. If you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, as we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Do you know me, Black? I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? So, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see we just come. Hey, everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagaban. They call me Jagaban one day. Jagaban. They call me Jagaban one day.
He go come give his speech.
You are going to jail with me. In a nation. Two, not just let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. Let the poor breathe. We have responsibility. Let the poor breathe. People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office. First week in office. Yes. Hit the ground running. Second week in office. Hit the ground running. Third week in office. Hit the ground running. Enjoy your weekend.
Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope you guys.
They say pride will take you nowhere. Now lie, your weight may you get boiled for armpit. You must raise shoulder, go chemist. Pride will take you to chemist. Nigeria don't tofu. The way Nigeria tough now, I swear to God, if hard times pass through Nigeria, it goes soft. You never know. Everybody now, they do everything to survive. One of my neighbor, no work, where that guy never try do. Money no they come, now him provoke. He says they when go die useless, he go use person. Now he carry his own girlfriend picture, say he won't go do ritual. As he go, give the picture to the babalawo. The babalawo look the picture, now he fall in love with his girlfriend. No be that one be the problem. As I talk to una now, that my neighbor they mad. As we they talk now, in they go okay. No be by boss, so by leg. Yo, una they enjoy for this Lagos. No be sure now pay like this. Everybody pay table. Some people no even come. They don't pay for the table, no come. Spend money for no reason. For that our side. God forbid bad thing. May we even buy regular 5,000. It's too expensive. Laugh don't cost 18. For that side. Person put in show, laughing stock. In still collect money. For that side, if we pay 2,000 naira, I swear to God, I leave Baba go perform. See Lagos here now. I still put this show now. Una no care to know who come, who no come, so long as the show is sweet. She can now, for that our side, they pay to 2,000. Then go on the show 11 a.m. When a person day here pay 2 million for table, when they come around 10 p.m. Wasted resources. We pay 2,000, we start to laugh from 12 in the afternoon till 12 in the night. Again, the way M.O.P go perform, we know like I go perform again, we punch it. My heart end 2,000. For that our side, you don't ever go show for a place like Sokoto. Now Sokoto I go do show. Regular 1,000. They still price up. The boys then just gather come and like 11 a.m. They'll come when they'll face the greet to and say, yeah, they senior man. Well done, organizer. Poor new comedian, Sarkin. Yawa. All this hailing now so that 5 p.m. then go enter for free. Now, as the show don't start around 5, 6, you know, let them enter, they know they talk, you know, then they get one when they lead them, that one go just work out, go hail MC, say, MC. Go speak one English. God bless you, Jesus. Very funny MC. We therefore hear her in case she no fool. Around 9 p.m. now, they'll come go na bounce and then go meet. They'll come meet bounce upon Thailand. Senior man. Yeah, they. We don't check inside me and my parents. We see never full. How far? We can peel in the gap. Hey, therefore here, no problem. We know the rush. Yo, around 11, they'll go look again. Yeah, they senior man. Pazamu shigawa, we no go enter. Wasted space. Look at it. No full, we say no full. Now we go full on. You don't go understand. God go help you. Say that they don't go decide. Say don't go buy the ticket 1,000 kwang. They know this. Not to consign them with front seat. Now for back, where they feed the gossip you. As the comedian just on stage, performing next, young chief. As in the entire go say, yeah, Raman why one say young chief, young chief, she don't perform, don't go tikam. Then they use their money small be that. That 1,000 where they pay each comedian 15 naira. Say performing this, a do picking. Say, don't borrow by do picking. One now by the beginning, but no be beginning, she come from pony guy. A zo picking. Tikam. M.O.P go come perform. They say, M.O.P go say, no, now this one she get show. For this one, put a 100 naira. Now, as they tick, they go, you notice say they don't tick all the name. One go see answer, say, Kai, they don't cheat us. He gave person when they never perform. Now, the one boy say, yeah, M.O.P, Kwankoloza. They want to cheat boys. What's going on? I see everybody, she don't perform. What of anime more? You see all the gara they look for this Lagos for social media. I they look when they laugh. You know say on social media they look. We they do real life. For that our side. See they do protest for this Lagos now. Nobody injure, nobody do anything. Not just the big noise, end bad governance, end hunger. Say I beg. May this protest end for here. We that side anything when we enter, no they end. Check up now for this country when kidnapping start now for Easter, you go the hear news. Father and son got missing. How many? 2. You go the hear mother and child found missing. How many? 2. When we enter for that side, the word kidnap change for that our side. We know Sabi no supposed to move. The word kidnap can change to adopt. You go hear the full community of Chibok was adopted. For that on our side, unknown government will just carry bus, come keep, carry 2, Sienna. For that was how they pack 4 posters, the full community go enter. We go there for 2 weeks. Bamba was then they do protest for you. Hold on. My time don't they finish. They do protest for you. End bad governance. See the people when they lead the protest, they come. We are tired of this government. Enough of all this government in power. Energy. You know why? Then they eat, come the protest. That outside, person they use 6 weeks passing, come outside. First of all, the minimum of protest for outside not be even good thing for here. Zanga. It sounds like waiting go good. As soon as they do for here, end bad governance. If police throw tiaga here, end of protest. Don't worry oversee. For the first time when not enter protest, you wanna see the difference. As they do, end bad governance. I see me this thing end for Abuja, me you know come. Protest branch enter Kaduna. Early money don't come out. End bad governance. Now so then they come outside. They won't ask one say, why not they go and say, I don't know, then they end something. End bad governance. Governance. Now, do you know part of the reason why they always say they know they do protest? Now, say some people will be anti-protest, they mastermind the protest to loot. Listen, when you they loot for Lagos, you go enter supermarket, person go pick what you eat, what you need. What you need. If we loot for that side, oh, so I like early morning as I did, and bad governance for Kaduna. One guy just walk out home. In look one guy when dress killing say, yeah, nature, man. Who's morning? I get traffic you go by. The guy no understand and say, I get traffic light you go by. As in the end bad governance, that guy don't go remove yellow, green and the guy when they say I get traffic light you go by, the guy going to say, what will I do with traffic light? He don't provoke the guy. He said, how about now for you? Why they be able like say if it's more became? You don't know say if you buy this traffic lights, nobody will go to control you for road. Hold on. Everybody hold on. I'm performing for this guy alone. Everybody hold on. 100 naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive for notes. $100 now you give me like that, you know enjoy me. Same thing when you go make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know, say Basketmouth, she talks to me, we know they collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth, she they curious, I know the play. I mean, I do more, Joe. Hold on. Because I say Basketmouth decrease, I live about a good kill. So I go use and sponsor free education for us. You don't know, let's be serious. My time remains 4 minutes. That is Kaduna. Hold on. It's a premium when you get son name. Pound sterling. Down the road. When I don't become most spray for stand-up comedy. Basketmouth, now only UK you go to perform. Banka! Bulodo Jesus. Wait, now £100 you give me like that, no doggy. Guy. You know, as a man, you are not entitled to Lamborghini. So this £100 now, you be like Lamborghini to me. You are a boner boy in my life. Alright, I have 3 minutes. Now, that is Kaduna and bad governance. Then they do the go. I can't say God, I pray to make this protest end for this Kaduna. See, you know one thing about Kano people? There's a slogan in Kano for Hausa. Kode mekazo ampika. It means whatever you come with, we are greater than you in that thing. If you think say you're mad, we are madder than you. When they do that end bad governance, Kano people, their barotombo is not be your normal one. You know, here you take alcohol before you get high. For there we are high from sleep. And bad governance. Now, their own barotombo is a 1-2 syllabic. And bad governance. They know they run. Now police they run. As they go. And bad governance. Now police control Tiagas. The first one when you front catch them. Pick Tiagas. And now, do you know that? One thing I love about Kano people, they don't steal. Kano people will not loot, but they will do something when the president will feel the effect. Now only Kano for the first time saw another country flag. Go to Russia to fight Nigeria. He said, Putin, come on. Now wow. And my father said my live comedy. If you see what then they give me now, it go funny. No, we saw one money I did raise my go MC wedding. My father when he how much they pay me to MC wedding, just go and say Sarkin. Really? Now I said daddy, this is how they scope me, say this your work, you go carry your boy along. Hold on, my time remain 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's be serious. Now, you know in this country, anything when they happen, once you reach Maiduguri, shut down. Check up now. See, for Maiduguri, they know they loot like normal people. If they want loot, they will loot the full area, make news there. Like the news go there for too long. Now, as they come and say, end by the governance, end by the governance, end by the governance. Police going to go back, police going to retire to the barrack, retire. You know, I them not be normal audience. Then they go from Niger, Sudan, and other borders. So they promote fake because they notice a crowd there for other states. They say, yeah, no, this one where other people they gather. Come be like say we no get population. May we end this country. End this country. Now, when they start the loot, you go no say they loot. I get 40-something seconds. Listen. As end bad governors and can notice one line. Say, Kai, that shago something there we can chop. Them both enter supermarket. Then carry biscuit. One even carry cheese balls. He know to the family and I smell and say, shege, master and daddy. They live there, they enter the next shop, waiting their boutique. Then carry clothes where they go. One even carry female mannequin. Say, yo, that's some companion. Now I wish they end for there. They enter the next building, waiting there, the library as they enter. And the bad governance. No one can say, oh, when only books she put for you. And my brother say, Kai, no be book carry me call. Now just the chair and table me I one part. The part chair and table no carry one thing. But I feared when this guy entered the next building for the street, waiting there, hospital lab. This is my final joke now. As they enter inside, they notice syringe, medicine, they don't understand. One can see one thing will be like shell, now open them, carry one bottle, they write on top, specimen. See, once they don't re-echo one word, no say they don't want. Specimen, specimen, specimen. Now I'm going to Yanira one. You don't see specimen before. Now I'm going to say, specimen. Specimen. I know specimen. I know even know say they don't do juice. This guy drinks specimen E. Code urine where they gonorrhea for 2 years. Have a wonderful night. My name is Sarkin.
Forget about I know by
oh, I don't make plans, I won't go do Nyash next week. But I cannot understand what they happen for this country. Oh, when you show then, very soon, as soon as I know they buy tickets, comedians go the whole small bag like Jehovah's Witness. They'll just come into like say they want me, I say, oh, put up a band and my show next week. Come on, they buy tickets, make people know crazy, wait till they go. But I don't dare happy with Bonner Boy. You know, Chris. One girl just say me they use doggy, give him 500 million. How much people be they buy from for last election? Person when want save the whole nation, the full nation, the form 100 million. You don't want to do doggy. Collect 500 million. I mean say if you do cowgirl, you go request for Ikoyina. Once you get a cowgirl, so what you want say, give me the whole Ikoyi. Where we go to stay? Now boys, okay, we know when we say our work normally. Once guys ask us money, we say, I see what I can do. What do we can do now? Baba! Oh, my show don't have you. First of all, let me give a shout out to Ikeli. I don't know where it's down. Ikeli, where is it? Ikeli, yeah. Oh, my chairman, God bless you. You know how it's bad, You know my show now March started normally. Do you know how bad it is, may your boy? God explain to you problem where they go through. You know, say if you tell her you go commit suicide. You go because you complain, give me say, bros, the thing get a bit. If I tell you my own, the small thing where they offer you, give me the money. Anyway, this Lagos, I don't talk them. Before, what did they promise getting a phone? Baba, they don't come on you for market. You are stranded now, bro. I feel for you. Bro, wait so people there where they use 500 million. No, that's in a room of time. Wait, as in 5, bro. For the first time, 2 wrongs make it right. Because for the girl to expect 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. For Bonner to promise 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. So those 2 wrongs don't make a... See you. Why you humble like that way they worry you? You too humble. I remember when I make one for Jacob Danasi. Now this man make M.O.P do the show. I don't know they talk. M.O.P nearly drink poison. I tell her, say, you don't say, oh, you just say, before we grow this church, this is easy. So we now they do so people they buy table. When we start with a gift table, then after the show, the man call the player who want help you. I don't say this is anybody want to go set table for they know they are around. They do. Just say the show now. They yell, when is that your show again? They don't say advert. You go say March 2nd. You say, I said I knew something was wrong somewhere. March 2nd. Honey, when is that our trip again? Where you go don't say a lie? The wife too go call they think the trip. That our trip. You don't say the full family they lie. But this comedy work, I don't make up my mind, sha. Thank God. Just day before yesterday, can I don't give me direct number. He said if things hard. So any Nigeria like me, be can I my guy now. Highest are key 2 people. Once they just ask me who I love, I just point anybody who get big forehead. I love and can I killer. Because I saw Tinubu they rule Nigeria like who get target to. Until I say kill them before October 14. Nobody come out. October 14. Because see the way Nigeria we just deal like orphans. See the way they rule Nigeria like who get American passport, Nigeria wants to go there, go collect her. We will go there and see this life, don't let anybody lie for you. Everything has come. The highest scam, mark my word. Since I entered this industry. Now why you? Oh no. A1 has come. Okay, but we don't know NaijaComedy. That time we will come new, 2006-07. So, Russell, that time would advise us in this industry, you have to have an identity. That you need to represent something. Like people need to know you with something. You know, so that time, bros, they do select. I don't know, say that because you don't get money. I just say that in identity, now lie you. Since why you make money, when I don't have to select this. Even the select church where they street, in early born. In secretary, then as Celestina, I don't sack up. We know that we got a fine identity. We don't know say na hustle, Baba be the hustle. Since we make money, when I say I select. So me now, as I like this now, I don't give a fuck, man. Play that song, me the error. I don't try for this work. Play again. Hold on. Two Baba they hear me, and they come by the blood. Who be you? Hold on there. You know how many years you crack joke for two Baba to call take your name sing? If you know Yabi, 23 years I did this work. I started to work for one company and for BMD now. But Nigerian women, no, love she said. Two Baba and now say don't leave Annie. When I say I should have left, but not today. Which day will I agree for on our WhatsApp? Like for our WhatsApp group, which day they say husband supposed to leave wife? Because I get one of my guys who won't leave, I don't want to make miss calendar. When they really the Chris say should have left, but not today, not like You get how they tell the time say she be a show. This day when I see for news, they don't go read all those are show for Farm City. They say one of them get DPO infection. Who knows say I give DPO the disease make up treater. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we're not here to waste time. It's not my night. My own show now, March 30th, they go there. I know they give free tickets, so if you know if you can leave on. At the time, the whole empty. Then, because my family, once I do show, my family know they too come, but they don't know how many people come. So come from now, my mom can write budget for me. Meanwhile, I don't know why once you put poster, the first girl we will write, nobody say one by you. Because me and my friends will be around to do it. And they miss you now. And see, this period, if Nigerian girl check on you, my brother, Nigeria, nothing they work the way they explain them. This country, now the only country, they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had the chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad, if you see somebody collapse, if you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what you take when they collapse. The name of the substance now knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say, make they drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink up, nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book, Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma.
All right, good evening. Yeah, thank you. How are you? You know, say who never born pikin, they say cartoon are for children. Now when you born, you know say adult now watch and pass children. That Cocomelon 300 billion views. Now adult watch 2.9 billion. Children don't watch anything inside that thing though. No let anybody stress you. If you know say you don't know book, no born now. and rock time to burn. Oh. May your pikin no go ask you, Daddy, is rice carbohydrate? You go say, no, it's vitamin. You know, so they get where your children go no book fridge, you go dey fear to come house, may you know if they fail assignment. Will they call your wife, hello? Are they asleep now? Can I come? Say, come. You dey come. One day tell you say that they are awake, run. Oh. If your pikin give you log reading, may you solve. Something will make you come out for school, your pikin go bring her. You sabi and now you come out for school. No, let anybody stress you. This life won't carry a shower the whole cash you. May you no sleep finish, your app no go open. Or God they open your app no open. No a shower I know we no DPO. Imagine say they arrest you and your wife come bail you. You know say from that day now you go to sweep. No, you most of you think now, Mama sign shorty. Say, where is the useless man that they brought here? Come outside. Hello, madam, is this your husband? Your wife will call you behind counter. Say, nah, be that. Idiot, come where they go. You don't say you go pray more and get accident for road after they go out. May you just die. Because, if woman get evidence against you, you are finished. You know, see that woman, you don't tire for a baby, you just look at you, wait out, hold this man. You know what it means, my baby go pay guests for a quiet bomb. They shout, our son. People are baby senior. Leave our son for us. Don't let anybody stress you for this country, this Nigeria. If they know mark and wear, latest, next week Thursday, all of us don't come out. No, so Nigeria not be country. Nigeria na place where they find visa gather. Oh, no. Anybody where you enter, you don't move. Oh, it is all of us, the John Jerry, they become one by land. No, now visa with the day they do. Don't let anybody whine you, bros. Mama, hold this man well, oh. For your mind, sometimes now you do you like to make you misbehave. If you see where they write this guy name for comment section for Jerry Easy, Father, run it for me. Altar of fire, bring him near me. No throw away your husband, no. No say some of you have small to don't stand on top of speaker, they shout, useless man, good for nothing man, very useless man. You see these guys, we don't feed the table, where they there? They like useless men, oh. If next year, now then go there, now you go there. Hold this man well, don't say I not tell you. They like scavengers. Not going to shout and young condemn. Now so that they find husband condemn. They repair condemn husband. If they repair this man, you go admire your former useless guy. No sir. I will lie for you. Don't let anybody stress you. This Nigeria, what we do? So if you really good, all of us no go. And you see, some of them will never really go abroad. For now, mine now, I want to relocate. Call your guy where they there before you go. Since when they see videos from abroad, you don't see any Nigeria, they born away video parlor. You don't see one video from person parlor. Now when they road, hello, how to make it to UK? Idiot, show us your parlor. As this guy there in Nigeria, now he has too small, now 5 bedroom. Mama, you go shock if this guy relocate, he go to lap in wife sleep. One Nigerian there UK, as I speak to you, know they call shared apartment. You and person go, they share one parlor, they share one fridge, they share one pot. Now so the guy, they in, they up. Now only for abroad, person parlor, staircase, they to another person room. You go to watch film, person go to pass your bag, they come from work. The guy, they share apartment with person from Bangladesh. They know they hear each other. The Bangladesh man come back one day hungry, bitter, and carry Nigeria woman egusi soup. Shop her with a bag. Out of annoyance, Nigeria woman just go fridge, see one substance where the guy keep. He don't know what be carry use and chop bread. He don't know say na polish where they use for shoe. Now that day I know say truly revenge is always best serve code. They admit her. Surgery. Now they take a more polish for the woman belly. Not let anybody stress you. This Nigeria, what would they so? If you really good, all of us no go there where we dey now. Ask yourself question. Some men too, I don't advise on that. Do whatever you can do to avoid domestic violence. Una no go here. Once woman post your picture, say you hold her hand, the tea come red. You no get who you want to explain give you. Domestic violence, especially if you marry fair woman, the way they look you. No be your wife with this. Even if not, no say they get away this woman will take verse, her hair go red. To provoke them a problem, if you know say you get bad character as a man, marry that woman. If you too suffer, you no go show. You see fair women, they be They get where they go provoke rich. Only here go red. They'll come here eyeglass, cover am. Say, what happened to you? Say, I hit her for door. Who hit her? You know, say you don't lose your man right. So I tell people, I say, women by their nature is being established, say their power, they their mouth. Yes. I know say now only women get nature, we not get. See, as God created and give their nature, we just do the look. They not find something to give us. So they get their nature. That is why they love to talk so much, even when serpent come for garden. Now they follow serpent. Discuss the kind of sin where they like, where they commit. When I don't read Bible, now Genesis say Adam was there. Adam not talk. Because you know they like talk. Now woman see serpent, they pass. He show me say now he go to approach her. Hello. You look very long. Oh. Because that serpent that they pass there since where Adam they there now. Adam they pass and they pass Adam because God won them. Gossip. These people. You go don't go say hi to serpent. Now serpent reciprocate. Tell and say this fruit we really chop am. Nothing go. Now that kind of person you carry for house, you say me not talk. So it's in their nature. Let woman curse you. May he curse you well. Do you know say is that bad? That if your wife shook you knife, you die. Before you die, you can't carry razor blade, scratch her. You know say if you go online, people will still say no now. How can a woman stab you? You would have just died. How can you still use razor blade to scratch her? You would have just died in peace. Is that bad? So we don't have a case. Hold yourself if your wife they curse you. There's what they call the theory of deprivation. When your wife don't curse you, you cannot bear it, leave the house. Now who they see that they curse? One person not the quarrel. Now who they see that they curse? One person not the quarrel. This guy get lounge, go there. Person will drink, not they know who curse him. Drink, leave your motor, may Uber carry you come. As you fall for bed, you sleep. No woman fit quarrel all through the night. No be prayer. No be prayer. Sleep. Enter coma. Well. Sleep. Now, as you come out, woman don't exercise her nature. Because as she calls you, like say you beat her and you go post you online. You can't see disgusting comment like, how do women survive under this kind of toxic environment? Another woman under the hands of a very useless man. What a marriage this has been for her. I can imagine what she's been through. This man is such an idiot. These are the kind of horrible comments you get. And a person born you. Imagine say your mama the reader. Go outside. She don't exercise her nature. You, when you go outside, find one small girl where they into taking away of troubles and tribulation. Because now your nature be this now, you won't use now. She don't use her nature, Abi. More use our own. Find one small girl, where daughter of iniquity, preferably. Friends of Potiphar's wives. Very close to Zerubbabel. Look for them. Let them suck away your sorrows. After you don't get yourself back, go house. You know, say mama go there house, this as you come. In the course, you can't quarrel. As you enter, begin sing song. He has done so much for me. I cannot tell it all. Everybody say, Mama will call this, now who I curse, now they praise God like this. You don't know, say you don't meet daughters of iniquities. They've taken away your sorrow. Now, after a while, you will come buy gift. Give your wife. Come put small letter on top. Baby, forgive me for all I have done. Adultery day inside. No statement. All I have done is an inclusive word that is very accumulative. Yeah. Now, that same woman, as against, like say you beat them, if I go post you online, you come post that gift. Come write with caption, I married the best man in the world. Comment section, come begin comment. Oh, we will marry you. You're not the see husband. Father, where's my wedding gown? God, where? Now, what have you done? The woman will curse you, she is happy. You where they curse, you are happy. Comment section, and the entire internet is. My name is Koboko Master, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Wait, check check your wife, oh, do DNA. You know, say when you go do DNA, the result come out. They can't say true. Now you get the bikini. You can't the first say you don't spend money. Say, but this bikini resemble me. Why I go spend this kind of money now? Light tariff, mad. We go Ibadan the other day. They come knock for us. Say, off AC. Say they want on small gen. Say, I want on small gen for hotel. Na bros, I don't do that. Wait, bros. Okay. Wait, now he really did here. All this way they talk. Wow. Bros R&D. Forever living products. That the man young now. You know, say, get away with me and bros go stand now. Say, if girls go full and leave me. See them. They play. When I don't go fit athlete role, I walk pass. Bros, they fresh every day. See, I do now. I'm not in age. Fresh man. They tell them, she went to go remove hand for batting. They know they hear. When you do normal thing, your mind go day, everywhere go, you know. Lagos just hard anyhow. Traffic everywhere. You go wake up, order for breakfast, you go arrive as lunch. Everything just stop, bro. No. This show, is that Acapella talk? This show, you show me. No, you show me. Who bring that? Who talk that is say knowledge is power? Yesterday here, conductor they beat Professor we get knowledge. Conductor one kill. Conductor one killer. So far full every year. Even girls they follow filler now, bro. Go give girl money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. I go outside to go carry Stella. Her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Me no one lost so. They suffer the zero. My family members there, they can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Girls now, all those girls where they say Team Natural, I go ask what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now, I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Moscow boys. I don't spoil Moscow. Come back to Nigeria. Wanna go in a cool place. That's my guy, DJ Constant, ladies and gentlemen. Big boy. Baba girls too, they follow suffer this thing though. Girl go chop corn and pear, post them, come they say craving satisfied. You get another food? Show us spaghetti where you don't feel like a job. They craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Boy go suffer, collect a number, you no go remember to call her again, bro. Everybody they move on. But girls say, well, correct girls do this Nigeria shaba, then few. Nigeria we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you dey, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work, you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say, why they find better girl, get away them train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date girl away. Now so now. Even though people comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, say they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl still bill her last week, say she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh. Who be that? Bonus, calm down, bro. Why you not even supposed to date this area? You're supposed to just go outside. If find anybody carry they want thief, bro.
My advice I fit you. Bro, no. See, I don't even know what next year we'll go to. Anyway, we'll just do this sharp. But all these girls, it go there easy if comedians they laugh, they know. Even Bros Julius know what in I see for your last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for this. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. I tell for GRO, he said go buy my table. Nah, where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby. So my advice to the girls, when I know they stress boys too much. As you day here, you find girl, me and you know say you get more than 6 girlfriends for this Lagos. If you get problem, you won't buy iPhone 6. Add all your boyfriend them for one WhatsApp group. Introduce them to each other. After all, they don't catch you, now you open up. Mike, meet Emeka, meet Chinelo, meet I'm your girlfriend. When they remember how they treat them, they don't go break, then go contribute money, buy you iPhone 6. No, they stress one person. Bandwagon everywhere. Get the one to birthday, go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother. Now here I will come clap. I want drink of my sponsor. Meridian Club Cream. Good for you. If you're ready to give follow my money for this period, Baba, I go use and drink tea. I go use bread. By the way, you guys, you have it on your table, right? How do you feel the taste? Good, right? I mean, that's it. Now my Oga personally, so if you want drop proposal, come through me. Well, I'm not going to disturb her. Guy, no. And boys go to form work. All these girls, they don't to chop our money. We need to do again. Valentine just pass, all the boys, they gather money to spend for girls when they spend Valentine. One guy carrying get come out, interview the guy, can you help us for Valentine? He say, no, I don't believe in Valentine. No. I like Val, V-A-L. Mama do the Val when she like. But I go last week. Now I say you don't take away we enjoy all this our old life. Now I say make I enter bus. Baba, you know say conductors for Port Harcourt then they crazy so and they know they stress them. Once you know where your change, as you reach your bus stop, one come down, then go just pair you with another person. So now you come down, they go say you give her 500, you give her 200. Now so last week for Port Harcourt, they pair one pastor with Ronsgare, we get big nyash. So your pastor carry Bible, they follow Ronsgare for back. I want to explain to people saying I changed. I want to explain saying I changed the define. I know say if you want catch what your friend they do, if you really want to know what your friend they do, just borrow your phone. Do like say you want search for something for browser. Check the last things when chat when search about. You go know in plan. Like if I collect this my guy phone now, check. I'm gonna check like cheap flights to Russia. You know saying they plan to go back. Collect this bro's phone now, check. Good venues in Lagos. You'll be like saying one do wedding. Collect this guy phone now, check. You'll see symptoms of ampiclos. You know saying don't carry.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.